Hey guys, if you've been a long time subscriber of the channel, you'll know that we have a review of the Aeroccino4 already on the channel and a few comparison videos as well. But one thing I have been asked is just for just a quick how-to on how to use it if you've just bought it. So I thought I'd just point out a few things you'll need to know today, and we'll make one coffee as well just to show you the process. So the buttons we have on the Aeroccino4, we have 4 buttons here and they relate to different types of coffee. So the blue button we've got, that does cold froth for iced drinks. We then have a next button, which is latte button, I'd probably describe it as. It doesn't seem to describe it as that on the box, it just seems to be hot milk, but I would probably class that as a latte style milk. Then we have our next button, that does a cappuccino, so you probably want roughly 100 ml of milk in and make a cappuccino with that, which is what we're going to do today. And then finally, on the right-hand side, we have the latte macchiato button, which really gets a lot of froth going. And then you pour in a shot of espresso over the top of the froth to make a latte macchiato. You'll see that there's a lip on it, which is different to the Aeroccino3. So be sure when you put the lid back on to place it over that lip and secure it tightly so that no milk comes out of the top. Inside, again, a noticeable difference between this and the Aeroccino3 is that with this, you never take the spring out. Obviously, you take the whisk out to clean it, but you never actually take the spring out to make different types of drinks. That stays on the whisk at all times when making the drinks. Okay, so we've got 100 ml of semi-skim milk, so we'll just pour that in. And then we just pop the lid back on securely, as we said, with that lip over the lip on the jug. And then we're just going to press the cappuccino button. That should be then whisking up inside. I quite like to have a nice strong pod in there if I'm just having one shot. The cappuccino milk is, the cappuccino froth has dropped down on top. And it looks quite nice, that, doesn't it? A nice cappuccino from the Aeroccino4. Just a little reminder as well that it is dishwasher safe, not the base, the actual jug on top. You can put that in the dishwasher or you can wash it out by hand, whichever you prefer. Be sure to not use an abrasive material because it will damage the inside, the non-stick element. So that's how to use the Aeroccino4 for the first time. I hope that's helped you out. Give it a like, the video if it has. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and bye for now.